Headline: DHS beats Boasberg with appeals court, ending his contempt proceedings against the Trump administration. This is the Washington Times, and this is in response to Judge Boasberg, or as I call him, Nosferatu, because he looks like Nosferatu from the early 20th century Dracula movies. He just does. So he somehow was assigned after a bunch of trendy Aragua gang members, rapists, drug dealers, the really savory types. DHS deported them as they should. They had been through their little so-called due process, which they do not deserve, nor are they entitled to, because they are not citizens of this country. And these crank-far leftists treat these individuals as though they have the same constitutional rights that we do, or even higher above our rights. Anyway, somehow some immigration attorney filed emergency orders and blase, and Judge Boasberg ruled on it. You need to turn that plane around in midair. What? You can't even do that. It's not physically possible to do that. What are you? I mean, I love the X-Files. Don't get me wrong. I'm actually watching it again because I just love the X-Files. Oh, God. But that's some X-Files shit, Boasberg. Yeah. We don't have technology that you can stop or do a three-wheel motion in air at 1,000 miles an hour, 30,000 feet in the air. You freaking moron. So he said, turn the plane around. No, we're not turning the plane around, you idiot. So he filed contempt charges against President Trump and has carried this on for more than a year. Well, the Fifth Circuit U.S. Court of Appeals in D.C. judges slapped his ass down. You know it's ratchet when D.C. judges that are notoriously left, they even said, bruh, I'm gonna need you to pump the brakes. This is too much. You are just showing your TDS. We need you to stop. So the Court of Appeals said that continued investigation is, quote, improper, and that his reasoning for pursuing contempt of court prosecutions for Trump officials is a, quote, dead end, because the judge is misreading his own orders. Circuit Judge, it goes on to say, Circuit Judge Naomi Rao said Judge Boasberg has crossed too many lines. This is a DC leftist court. He has crossed too many lines. Damage to the separation of powers between the president and the courts. She said Judge Boasberg must end his pursuit of the president and his team. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals even called this, quote, intrusive. It's too obvious that he is doing this because he hates the president. And how is it that these immigration attorneys and these activists, NGOs, keep finding the same damn judge for every freaking case they file? They go judge shopping across the country. It always somehow ends up on Boasberg's desk. Interestingly enough, when this first took place, he was not even on the damn docket. He made this verbal ruling like in the middle of the night on a Sunday. You're not even working, and you made this ruling? Okay. How did he pick the case? I mean, it's supposed to be done when you're off duty and you have like these weekend cases. It's supposed to be a random, like, oh, this judge gets it this week. Oh, random this judge. But it always seems to go to Judge Boasberg. It does not look good on your record when you are of the black-robed brood, aka a judge, when your decisions keep getting overturned. turned. He is in dangerous territory for his own career. He's setting his own house on fire, and I'm here for it. Keep doing it. But at this juncture, the Fifth Circuit DC Court of Appeals said, stop, and it can go no further. So President Trump, Department of Homeland Security, congratulations. You defeated Nosferatu.